Now we go to the lesson, the charges and electric current. It is an important lesson in science. Okay, what is meant from science?
Science from Latin word scientia. Scientia means grow knowledge, gain knowledge, give knowledge. Knowledge is tested and given explanation.
We used our daily life two different way of current. One AC, another one DC. Okay, what is meant from AC? AC means alternating current, DC means direct current. Okay, Thomas Alva Edison discovering AC current, Nikola Tesla discovering DC current. Okay, many electrical things are working to AC current. Many electronical things are working to DC current. Okay, now we go to the topic electric charges. In the beginning of 18th century,
after rubbing with the animal fur, attracted small pieces of leaves and dust. This property is said to be charged. Later, people found that not only ampere, but even a glass rod rubbed with silk cloth attracts pieces of paper. Glass rods also becomes charged. Consider a charged rubber rod having from a thread. Suppose another charged rubber rod brought near the first rubber rods repel each other. Then, if a charged glass rod brought near the rubber rod, they attract each other. Two charged glass rods are brought near, they repel each other. The two charged rubber rods, they repel each other because they are like charges. Conclusion from the above observation, the charged rubber rod and glass rods are different from one another. The two charged rubber rods, they repel each other because they are like charges. The charged ampere and rubber rods are attract with each other because they are unlike charges. Two kind of charges exist in the universe. In the 18th century, Benjamin Franklin called one type of a charge as positive and another type of a charge as negative based on Franklin's convention. Here, rubber rod and ampere rods are negatively charged rods. The glass rod positively charged. If the net charge is zero, it is called electrically natural. It is an important one mark question, which is electrically natural materials. One, glass rods, another one. In the late 19th century and in the beginning of 20th century, J.J. Thomson and Rutherford are explained about atom. Atom is naturally neutral and it is made of negatively charged electron, positively charged proton, and neutrons are which have zero charge. When an object electric charge, most object in the universe made up of atoms which made up of protons, neutrons and electrons. These particles have mass. These particles have mass. Their nature of charges is understood through various experiments in 19th and 20th century. SI unit is Coulomb. Conservation of charges. The charges are neither created nor destroyed, but we can be transferred one to another. Now we go to example. When an object rubbed with one to another, charges get transferred each other. Here we rubbed glass rod rubbed with silk. Here we rubbed glass rod with silk. positive charge transfer from silk to glass rod, even though negative charge transfer from glass rod to silk. It is a electric conservation, electric charge conservation. Quantization of charges, express minus E and the charge on the proton plus E. He means fundamental unit of charge. The universe, the charge Q is equal to an integral multiply of charge Q equal NE. Here we go to the topic Coulomb's law. It is an important 2-mark question. First you learn this formula, F equal Q1 Q2 divided by R square. F directly proportional Q1 Q2 divided by R square. This force is directly proportional to product of charges and inversely proportional to square of the distance. Already we know two kind of charges, one positive, another one negative. Positive means high potential, negative means low potential. The charge is flowing high potential to low potential, that is called current. Okay, here positive, another one positive. The two kind of charges, that is called like charges. Like charges always repel each other. Next one, minus. This is called negative charges. It is like charges, so it is also repel each other. Positive, negative. These two type of charges different, so it is attract each other. The force of attraction or repulsion directly proportional to the product of charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance, that is called Coulomb's law. It is a vector quantity. Force is directly proportional to product of charges and inversely proportional to square of the distance. Already we know two kind of charges, one positive, another one negative. Positive means high potential, negative means low potential. The charge is flowing high potential to low potential, that is the current. Okay, here positive, another one positive. The two kind of charges, that is the like charges. Like charges always repel each other. Next one, minus. This is called negative charges. Then now we go to the topic electric field and lines of force. First I detailedly explain electric field. Electric field related to action at a distance, charges separate and placed at a space. First charges is experience either force of attraction or repulsion. This is called action of distance. Suppose the first charge is away from the second charge, what happened? It is related concept of field. According Faraday concept, every charge in the universe creates an electric field in the surrounding space. Here we take positive charge. Here he means electric field. The electric field away from the charge outerward. Here the charge Q creates an electric field in the surrounding space. Here P is electric field. Its distance R from the point of charge. Show the figure. And electric field away from the charge. Electric field acting outward. Next we take negative charge Q. Here he means electric field. The electric field flowing innerward to the charge. For a negative charge, the electric field at P points innerward to Q. Electric field. What is electric field? What is meant from electric field? The charge experience some electric force, that is called electric field. So here the electric field divided in two types. One uniform electric field, another one non-uniform electric field. What is uniform electric field? Uniform electric field will have same direction and constant magnitude, that is called uniform electric field. Another one, non-uniform electric field. What is non-uniform electric field? Non-uniform electric field, both direction and magnitude charges depend distance, that is called non-uniform electric field. So the figure, a uniform electric field flowing same direction and same magnitude is vector quantity. Electric field, lines of force. It is an important 5-mark question. Electric field vectors are flowing like lines. This is called electric field lines of force. Rules. It is start from a positive charge and end at negative charge or infinity. For a positive point charge, the electric field lines points radially outwards. A negative point charge field lines point radially inward. The electric field vector at a point in space is tangentially to the electric field, tangentially lying at the point. The electric field lines are denser in closer region. Electric field has larger magnitude. When outer electric field of lines of force, the outer region electric field is larger magnitude. Two electric field lines are not intersect each other. Two lines are cross at a point. They are different electric field vectors on the same point. Start from the positive charge or end at a negative charge is directly proportional to the magnitude of the charges.
Define conservation of electric charges. The charges are neither created nor destroyed but can transferred one to another. Unlike charges, attract each other. Like charges, repel each other. Coulomb's law. The force of attraction or repulsion directly proportional to product of charges and inversely proportional to square of distance. Recall the topics. Line. Define electric field at a point. Define its unit, the amount of work done in moving a unit positive charge from infinity to that point against the electric force.